Alright, Econ students, this is going to be your short video reminder. We're going to go over this live on Tuesday the 25th. This video is going to stay in here as a persistent review that you can go back to help you figure out how to access the textbook until you are used to it. So to access the textbook, guys, you just got to go to a basic Google page while signed in to your account. So of course you can do this on your Chromebook or your other computers or your phone, although obviously doing this on the phone is going to be a little bit difficult because that's a lot of small text. So here's what you do. You head on over here to the little 9-dot waffle looking thing. That's the Google Apps additional extensions. You click on that. Now keep in mind, you're not going to have as many apps and icons as I do because I have a number of teacher ones. But you should still have a pretty good set. You should have all the standard Google ones that you see up here, and you'll probably have a number of additional ones as well. So what you got to do is you got to scroll down, and you guys will find in one of these sets of boxes where it's this 9-part, flannel multicolor box, and you got to look for the one that says Pearson Easy Bridge. So it just says Pearson, and then when you hover over it, the word Easy Bridge shows up. So you go ahead and click on that, and it's going to pop you into a new tab. Now, yours is not going to look exactly like mine, and I cannot stress this enough because my sophomores, man, they're having issues with this concept in life. Yours is not going to be identical to mine. Okay, it's going to look similar, but not the same. So please keep that in mind. So what you need to do is you need to head over to the Savas Realize. I'm not exactly sure if that's how you pronounce it, but that's how I assume you pronounce it. You click on that, it'll open yet another tab, I know, and again, yours will probably not look exactly the same as mine, but you should be seeing California Economics Principles in Action. That is our new digital text as of this school year. We do not have physical copies, instead it's everybody's getting these digital ones. So go ahead and click on that, and it'll load up to the table of contents. Now again, I don't know what kind of resources, standards, or eText you guys have here. As you can see, I have both my own edition and I have your edition. But here we go. This is the basic table of contents, and you can see rather than listing them as like chapters, they're listed as topics. So we are going to go ahead and use several of these, including the Personal Finance Handbook, later in the semester. But for now, we will be starting with Topic 1, the Fundamentals of Economics. And when you click on it, it would help if I actually clicked on it, you'll see that there are a set of lessons. In this case, we have lessons 1, 2, and 3. So this week, we will be looking at lesson 1 and 2, which are the two most basic concepts, scarcity and opportunity cost. Okay, we will be doing these, or I will be demonstrating this live with you guys, but remember, this video is here to help remind you how to find and access your eText. Good luck, and I will see you in class.